Click on the link below to get price. In recent years, renewable energy solutions have gained considerable attention, and among these, wind energy stands out as a viable option for both residential and commercial applications. One such product in this category is the 18000W Portable Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit, featuring a 3-blade design. This kit presents an interesting option for those looking to harness wind energy effectively. The 18000W Portable Vertical Wind Turbine Generator is designed with practicality and efficiency in mind. Its vertical axis design sets it apart from traditional horizontal wind turbines, allowing for greater adaptability in various wind conditions and environments. The 3-blade configuration is optimized to capture wind from any direction, which can be particularly advantageous in urban settings or locations with unpredictable wind patterns. One of the key features of this wind turbine is its output capacity of 18,000 watts. This level of power generation can potentially meet a significant portion of a household's or small business's energy needs, depending on local wind conditions. The kit is equipped with high-efficiency blades that contribute to its overall performance, ensuring that users can maximize energy production, especially during breezy conditions. The installation process of the wind turbine kit is designed to be user-friendly, catering to those who may not have extensive technical expertise. The package typically includes all necessary components, such as the turbine, mounting hardware, and an instruction manual, making it easier for users to set up the system in their preferred location. Additionally, its portable nature allows users to relocate the turbine should their energy requirements change or if they wish to optimize its positioning for better wind exposure. It is important to consider the environmental conditions in which the turbine will be used. While the vertical design allows for versatility, the turbine's efficiency is inherently tied to the average wind speeds in the area. Therefore, understanding local wind patterns can be beneficial in determining the potential effectiveness of the turbine. In summary, the 18000W Portable Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit presents a compelling option for those interested in exploring wind energy. Its 3-blade design, ease of installation, and adaptability to varying wind conditions make it a practical choice for individuals and small businesses looking to reduce their reliance on traditional energy sources. As always, potential users should carefully evaluate their specific energy needs and local wind conditions to make an informed decision.